Hello mga kabeshi, good afternoon. So, welcome to my YouTube vlogs. So, for today's video mga kabeshi, so, last 2 months, pinasilip ko na sa inyo yung couple room. Level lang dito sa room ng kaibigan ko. So, doon pumunta tayo sa room 110. Pumasok tayo doon at pinasilip ko sa inyo ang couple room din. Nakita nyo na. So, for temporary lang yun. So, tayo sa room 104, katukin natin. Baka may tao. Hello! Ayan, sa entrance mga kabeshi. So, ito na palang final na renovation. So, ito makita na natin ang sa kitchen first. So, first is makita ng ref. So, temporary pa to, walang nakatira. So, ito ang ref. Then, ito, may saksakan din sa panglutuan. So, meron na talagang panglagayan sa mga kulang dito yung electric stove na lang or electric gas. Then, lagayan ng baso. So, meron ng sink dito. Tingnan nyo kung, nagana na. So, iwan muna natin ang light. Ayan. So, ayan mga kabeshi, nag-on na siya. So, pwede mo na dito kung anong lagyan mo. Then, ito na po ang finally tapos na renovation nila ngayon. So, nakita ko na talaga. Then, kayo nang bahala kung anong ilagay nyo dito sa kitchen. Then after that, punta tayo doon. Ito sa ilalim, maganda, linis. So meron ding outlet dito kung ano yung ilagay nyo dito. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng lagay ng rice cooker, kettle, electric kettle, o kahit ano, basta libre na lahat to dito. So punta tayo sa toilet, tingnan natin. Okay natin ang toilet. So ito pala, konti lang, pang couple lang kasi to. So sa entrance yan makita po ang mga ibang room dyan. So hindi pa yan tapos na renovate dyan. Ang iba meron na pero ang iba renovate na, under renovation pa. Ang iba wala pang iba tapos, patapos pa lang. So ito pa lang ang natapos. So ito na ang toilet. So buksan natin. So may ilaw, napakaganda. So, katukin natin, baka may tao. Wala naman. So, nakaon ang ilaw. So, ayan. Ayan, napakaganda. So, may nakalagay ng shower curtain. Ayan, sink. So, wala pang lagay ng mga tissue. Tapos, yan. Tapos, ito ang toilet. So, yan, shower. Gana pa itong shower na to. So, okay. So, ayan po. Ang toilet nila. So, kayo nang bahalang maglinis dito sa toilet. So, basta, okay na, napakaganda. Not same before na iba talaga. Kita nyo na ang toilet mga kabeshi. Gumagana na yung niya. Shower. Pati yung sink, pati yung sa toilet bowl niya. Saka dito naman sa kitchen. So, okay na. So, napakaganda, promise. Ito na pala ang natapos nilang renovation. Napakaganda. So, punta naman tayo doon sa loob ng room. Tingnan natin. Okay natin ang room. So, dati wala itong door. Ngayon, meron ng door. So, meron na kayong privacy. Mag-couple, magkaibigan, or magjowa. Ayan. So, iwan natin ang light. Ito po ang couple room or magkaibigan na room or magjowa. So yan, may privacy kayo, may lock. Hindi kayo ma-disturb for whole night. So merong dalawang light. Kulang na lang ilagay nyo dyan, lamisa. Pwede naman kayo mag-request ng may-ari. So yan, single bed. Tapos may bintana. Meron yung pang-cortina. Tapos meron ding heater pag winter time. So meron ding cabinet na dalawa to. So kayo nang bahala sa magjowa or magkaibigan or mag-couple. So meron ding heater. So dito naman same din. Single bed. So ayan, napakalaki na room. Nakita na natin dito sa loob ng room. At may privacy kayo, pwede nyo lock whole night, wala makadisturb sa inyo. May dalawang lights, may bintana, may heater, tig-isang bed. Pwede na kayo sa magjowa or magkaibigan or mag-couple, i-ano nyo na lang tong bed, pinag-isa nyo na lang, kayo na bahala kung anong discard nyo, anong arrangement nyo. Tapos dito, pwede kayo mag-request pa ng isang cabinet dito ilagay. So kayo nang bahala mag-request kay boss sa may-ari. So ito na pong hall, ito na pong kabuuan dito sa dito sa loob ng bed o sa loob ng room. Tapos sa toilet at saka sa kitchen dito. So ayan, nakita nyo na ang pang couple room, pang jowa room, pang friend room, or pang mag-ano kayo. Basta importante ito na po ang natapos na na-renovate dito sa hostel or sa apartment ni Boss Dosel. So ayan, so mag-usap tayo kung magkano ang renta per head, per each, and anong roles nila dito. So by the way mga kabeshi, andito lang ko ngayon. Pasensya na ganito yung sinuot ko kasi dito ko natulog sa room ng kaibigan ko. Then, ang pag-usapan natin dito sa roles or sa kanilang payment per each or per head. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa dyan, so sa mga nakakaalam mo, sa mga nakarenta na dito, kasi dito maraming mga nagrenta dito kasi accessible. Malapit lang sa tram. Sa una kong video pinakita ko na paglabas nyo, labas or pagpasok, nandyan na sa kalsada, sa highway or sa daanan ang tram. Lahat ng tram, pabiyahe, bus or taxi. So, meron ding mga mall dyan sa labas. So, anytime, kung saan kayo magpunta, or mag-grocery or kahit saan kayo punta, walang problema kasi accessible, di ba? Mga nakapunta na dito, sa mga naka-rent na dito, alam nila ang mga rules dito, alam nila itong mga kasiyahan dito. Pwede dito mag-video okay, enjoy dito. Marami din mga Pilipino dati dito nakatira, mga India, Nepal, Bangladesh, halo-halo po dito nakatira sa accommodation na to or sa hostel, apartment na to. So, last year, 2024, marami talaga dito talaga. Sa mga nakatira dito, sa isang room lang, bali merong 6 na nakatira or 6 na tao kasi bed spacer. Bed spacer, so sa isang room, meron ding sa maliit lang na room, meron ng 4 na tao for ganito lang pang couple, 4 na tao dito dati. Kasi bed spacer. Then, sa malaking room naman, merong mga tag-6, tag-8, kasi nilagyan ng 4 na bed spacer, so kaya marami dati. So ngayon, as 2025, binago na po lahat ni Boss. Ni-renovate na yung mga room from ground floor, first to third. Then, binago na, so meron na siyang pang couple, pang jowa, or pang friend. Then, meron din sa una kong video na pinasilip ko, kay pumunta ko sa taas, kay room nila ni Alan, na pinashare ko sa isang room, 4 na tao, pero sa isang room, 2 room, pero 4 na tao, pero tagi-isang bed pa rin. Bali, sa isang room, sa isang room, 2 kwarto. So, 4. So, tag-single bed sila. So, yun, binago na lahat, pati kusina, lahat. Binago na ni Boss at renovate na lahat. Meron ng panglagayan ng mga kagamitan. Siya, as I show you na maganda ng kitchen talaga natin at saka yung toilet. So masaya ko na nabago na lahat ngayon dito sa apartment na to. So komportable na pag magrenta dito. So i-share ko din sa inyo mamaya yung meron nakatira doon sa bagong renovation, mga Pilipino, may nakatira na sa baba. So sinilip ko at binidyohan ko kung anong mga nilagay nila sa kusina at anong mga arrangement nila. Hey mga kabeshi, ito na po ang bagong natapos na room, new room, finish for couple or this one in one room for 2 people. This is the shower. Ito pang shower and sink. Tapos toilet. Then ito na po ang kitchen. So napakaganda. So meron na siyang sink dito sa sink na hugasan. So lock po ang sa loob kasi may tao na tulog. Dito lang muna tayo sa kusina. So, ang ref dito sa baba. So, ayan. Ito na po ang bago. Natapos na sa isang room dito sa baba. So, ganito lahat. Pareho lang lahat. Ang room na dito na for two people. Hi, hello my friend.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm very good.
Okay.
Super.
What's your name?
My name is Jagpreet Singh Sohi,
Oh.
Babu.
Okay,
Short name
Babu. Which country from?
I'm from India.
India. Oh my
Punjab.
God. Punjab. Oh, good.
Punjabis.
Punjab people is good. So I have a question for you. So how many months you stay here?
We are here now, 3 people.
3 people. How many months?
Last 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Almost 2 years
Yes, 2
here.
years,
Oh
yeah.
my God. How much you rent in room?
We pay one guy 220 euro.
Okay, 2020.
So that's maybe 660 euro, 3 people.
3 people. So including
Show this room. What is this room?
including all
Including
electricity,
with 3 people, 660 euro.
Wi-Fi including,
Yeah, Wi-Fi including.
and also electricity and water.
Everything.
So, are you happy here for almost 2 years?
No happy. Seriously. Because
Why? Just wait.
if you want to,
No, yeah. Just wait. Why no happy? You are still here in 2 years.
it's small room.
Ah,
Yes, it's very small room. So only one washroom, no kitchen, nothing.
yeah. Because this
That's
one,
difficult for 3 people. You
yeah,
understand?
yeah. But this one is going for renovation.
Otherwise it's okay. But just we need one kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen and one washroom.
Okay, yeah. You want to.
There is bed. There is washroom. What is this?
Okay.
That's not good.
So there is a finish renovation there. So you can ask the owner or the boss
Yeah.
owner this apartment.
He will say we will make new rooms and we will shift you there. Also my company make new accommodation another side.
So you
They
want
will shift maybe this 1st of October.
transfer there?
Yes.
Oh,
We
so
will left from
so
1st
no
of
need
October.
transfer their new renovation there. No.
No.
So you're going there for your boss a new apartment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. He say we buy new accommodation, so all people which is working in delivery,
Oh.
that's
So
all
sad.
people
So sad.
go on this 1st October.
Okay. My friend, are you single?
Yeah, of course. I'm single last 7 years. Fuck off.
How old
Don't
are
touch
you?
Any lady, don't touch nothing. Nah.
How
I'm
old are
single.
you?
I'm 29.
29.
Yeah.
So you're not married.
No married.
So how many years here in Croatia?
I love maybe 2 years. Yeah.
So what is your work here?
Now,
Yes, no.
I'm free. Now I don't have.
No,
job.
I mean, for almost 2 years, what is your work here in Croatia?
I
Your
don't
work.
understand.
No, I mean, for almost 2 years, what is your work here in
Delivery.
delivery?
Yeah,
Like
delivery,
what?
1.5 year delivery, and now I'm working bars in a construction company.
Construction.
But he don't pay money. That's why I stopped that job. Now
For
I'm free.
construction?
Yeah, 3
Yeah.
months I work there and he don't pay for any.
Why?
Money.
It's not good.
Yeah. He don't make papers. He nothing. He just used to us and after he fuck off, kick us.
So not good that one.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
for about the delivery, like Walt or Bolt?
No, Globo.
Globo. So how much your salary in Globo?
That's not salary. That's on commissions.
Commissions.
Yes.
Then how?
10% companies before first 6 months. 15% company cut into salary, and now after 6 months they cut 10%.
Then how?
If you do like 2,000 euro, you have 600-700 euro salary.
Salary 600 to 7.
If you do 2,000 euro,
Ooh.
you get only 600 to 700.
Oh, it's very low.
Yeah.
A small salary.
If you do 3,000, you have maybe 1,000 euro.
1,000. So the question is, your time is too much. Maybe 14 hours or 15 hours.
Oh, 12 hour, 13 hour, 14 hour, does not matter.
Oh,
It's
no.
not,
Then no day off. No off time.
No,
Always
no
work.
off, no.
So if
company say you have 1 day off,
Ah.
but we can't do because we miss milestones. If we take off, we miss milestones. You have to do maybe 120 orders in 3 days.
oh my God, what you can
You have
do?
to do work on your off days, so that's after you have to get.
You
more
can do
money.
in 3 days. 3 days for 3,000 euro.
No 3 days in 3,000 euro.
How many days?
In 1 week,
Yes.
you can do approximately maybe 5 to 6,000, 5 to 600 euro in 1
600
week.
euro in 1 week. Oh,
And company got 300.
okay.
You have 300.
So
Hey,
it's
shit, man,
it's
it's
very
not-
good work or not
It's
good?
very risky job. All day, daytime, nighttime, you just delivery, car
Yes.
no see you, he just
Yeah.
hit and he fuck you and nobody care you.
Sometimes, what if the winter time? It's very difficult, right?
Winter time it's very difficult
Yeah.
because snowfall on the roads, you just little breaks and scooty slip and
Yeah.
you fell down.
So why you are not using motorcycle? You
No,
use bicycle?
Bicycle, also same.
Why not use in motorcycle? There's different payment.
No,
If you
payment
use-
also because if you want to buy rent on scooty rent, it's 350 euro.
350.
Yeah. If you want to buy bicycle, no buy on rent. That is 250 euro.
Ah, difference, huh?
Only 100 difference.
Okay. So, how about your parents there in India?
They are
We
good
miss
there.
you?
They just say to me, you just go there and you just satisfied yourself.
Okay.
We don't need money, we don't have any except to you. You just you happy, we happy.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
So I'm proud of you, my friend, and enjoy your work and enjoy your life here in Croatia.
Thank you so much.
That's
Thank you.
life of Croatia, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, my friend,
Thank
for
you,
this
thank you.
wonderful day.
Thank you. Same
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Nice to meet you, dear.
Today you are very nice and very good to speak in English. What is your idea or secret? Why?
I just drink two vodka. That's why English automatically coming out.
You drink too.
Otherwise, I don't speak.
That's why you can speak nicely in English
Yeah,
today.
yeah. Actually, I was working before maybe 5 years in Cyprus.
Cyprus,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, in 2016.
2016, what is your work there?
I was working on the restaurant on the beach.
Restaurant in beach. So
On the
you
beach,
are
yes.
on the beach.
okay. So you are helping.
I was very working like on farming,
Ah,
restaurant, everywhere. I'm all under. I do everything.
so why you have a plan to come here in Croatia? Why?
I just because in India my parents give me pressures. Go do something in your life. Go do
Like-
something. So
like
I
that?
say, okay, I will come somewhere.
God, I'm so sad.
I just come
But-
here, okay. I just need money, some money, okay, everything is okay.
Okay.
My family is okay, my background is okay. You know your parents need to you do
Yes.
something for yourself.
I understand you
Yeah.
because
That's
me
why.
too also for my,
brother is
parents. For my
working
parents.
in London, in UK, and my cousin brother in Australia, my sister in Canada.
So why you are not
Only
going
me
there?
in Croatia, fucking country.
So why you are not going there in London, in Australia? Why you are not going
I
there?
am very dull in study, you know, that's why. That time.
Okay.
No good English, nothing that time. Now okay, now I can survive with this little English.
Yes. So you need to survive here in Croatia. Okay.
Now I am open. Now I know everything.
Okay. Just do.
Before 10 years, I talking about before 10 years.
Okay.
If I get that time good decision, I go in good country, my future is good.
Yes.
But I take wrong decision, I go in Cyprus. Fuck everything. Cyprus, fuck me. Europe, fuck me.
Did you go already in Middle East? No.
Middle East.
Yes.
I like Middle East.
Did you
They
try
are
or
good
no?
countries, good cities. But I like only cold countries.
Cold countries.
Yes, no too much hot, looking just a little bit raining.
Too much
Oh,
hot.
that's
Can you
cool.
transfer here?
My English finish, okay.
Your English finish?
And my vodka finish.
Your vodka finish
My
also.
vodka finish and my English finish.
So, you enjoy here.
I'm enjoying. Obviously,
With your
you
friends.
are good people living here. We see you every time. We are happy.
Thank you
We
so
all
much.
always happy.
Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Happy. Bye.
Devi Dimose.
Namaste.
Namaste.